Look at you.
What do you see?
Christmas tree.
What's under the Christmas tree?
Christmas
Presents! Should we get down and look?
Yeah. And pretty presents.
Who brought the presents?
Santa.
Santa.
Did Santa eat the cookies?
Oh, should we go see if Santa came and ate the cookies?
Where did we put the
look.
cookies?
I hold you. I hold you.
Here, come here.
Daddy hold you.
Here. Okay. Okay. Let's go look. Let's go look. Uh-oh. Cookies are gone. Look at the milk. Someone drank the
Santa
milk and
eat
ate
the
the cookies.
Take a look.
Did Santa come and eat the cookies?
Did you all?
Yeah, he ate them and then he drank the milk. Hey, should we wipe off that nose? Icky nose?